2025 Nissan Leaf continues to lead the charge in the electric vehicle segment, offering a refreshed design, improved performance, and advanced technology. As one of the most popular EVs in the market, the new Leaf combines sustainability with practicality, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. The exterior of the 2025 Nissan Leaf has undergone a sleek redesign, giving it a more aerodynamic and modern look. The front fascia now features a sharper V-motion grille, seamlessly integrated with the LED headlights, creating a bold and futuristic appearance. The headlights are slimmer and more angular, enhancing the car's aggressive stance. The lower bumper has been reworked for improved aerodynamics, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. Moving to the side, the Leaf maintains its signature compact hatchback shape, but with refined body lines that give it a sportier appeal. The flush door handles and aerodynamically designed wheels contribute to its efficiency, ensuring minimal resistance on the road. At the rear, the updated LED taillights stretch across the tailgate, connected by a sleek black panel that enhances the car's modern aesthetic. A subtle roof spoiler and a reworked bumper complete the clean and stylish design. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, the 2025 Nissan Leaf comes with an improved battery pack, offering better range and efficiency. The standard model now features a 40 kilowatt-hour battery with an estimated range of 180 miles, while the extended range version boasts a 60 kilowatt-hours battery, pushing the range beyond 250 miles. The electric motor delivers instant torque, making acceleration smooth and responsive. The Leaf's low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, enhances stability and handling, making city driving and highway cruising effortless. Nissan's e-pedal technology allows for one-pedal driving, providing regenerative braking that maximizes energy efficiency. The car also supports DC fast charging, enabling up to 80% charge in just 40 minutes, making long trips more convenient. Inside, the 2025 Leaf features a refined and tech-forward cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, now supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time battery status, range estimates, and navigation assistance. The cabin materials have been upgraded, offering a more premium feel with soft-touch surfaces and eco-friendly upholstery. The seats provide ample support and comfort, making long journeys enjoyable. The spacious rear seats and a practical cargo area ensure that the Leaf remains a versatile daily driver. With an improved balance of technology, comfort, and efficiency, the new Nissan Leaf continues to be a top contender in the EV market.